In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn off Safari restrictions on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll through and find this screen time app over here. Or you can just search for it using the search bar and just click it and open it. Now, simply scroll through to the bottom, and here you'll find this option that says content and privacy restrictions. You'll find it under the restrictions section. Click this option. Now it's going to bring you to this interface, and on this interface you simply have to find this option that says App Store, Media, Web and Games, and click this option. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page you simply have to scroll through and find this web content option. You'll find it under the web content section. Now click this option, and here you can see the web content is restricted for only approved websites. You simply have to unrestrict by choosing this option over here. Click this option, and that's all. Now go back and turn off content and privacy restrictions as well. And that's how you turn off Safari restrictions on iPhone.